Yes, guys, welcome back, welcome back. How's everyone? How's it going? 1 second, let me just share this link to my Instagram. How's everyone doing? Yes, guys, who's here? Drop a comment if you're here. Yes, welcome. Yeah, we've just taken a position recently. I got plus 20 ticks. Like I say, I don't know where everybody else managed, but we were 20 ticks for me. Yes, Ron, how's it going, mate? But yeah, like I say, we'll see what happens today. But yeah, let's see if we can catch another trade for the US session. This happened just as I was about to jump on for the US, which it is what it is at the end of the day. Let me just post that. Oh, I already posted it, sorry. If you've already seen the Telegram link, I've just posted it twice by accident. Give us a minute. But yeah, let's see what the session brings. Like I say, if you've just joined, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Indy, yo, Rav here. Rav, how's it going, bro? Welcome, mate. Welcome. Let's give it 2 or 3 minutes, and I'll start breaking the chart down. Yeah, give it 2 or 3 minutes. I'll start breaking the charts down. Yeah, good, mate. How are you? How are you, Rav? How are you, mate? Yeah, drop a like, guys. Yol, how's it going, mate? How are you? But yeah, oh, we've got 16 here now. Nice. Like I say, but yeah, Yol, Indy, guys. If you just joined, Ron. If you've just joined, drop a comment, drop a like, guys. Let's smash 10 likes again, and I'll start breaking gold down now. Good to see everyone here again. We have just taken plus 20 ticks on gold. This is just for my journal. This isn't a stop loss. This is plus 20 ticks. I took TP literally here as it were coming into this level. To be honest with you, what happened was I got entered into the position on the flip. I put it up to 20 ticks, and it just absolutely smashed TP. If you go onto the minute chart, look at the minute chart. It smashed TP in a minute and flipped back down. So yeah, I'm not bothered. Like I say, I probably would have, if it went a bit slower, I would have managed it differently. But it just hit my TP, and to be honest with you, I was doing something else. I was setting the stream up. So yeah. Yeah, it's good stuff, Am. Good to see you. Good, nice push there. Yeah, Rav, beautiful little push there on gold. That's all you need. 20 ticks a day is all you need. I'm still adamant on 2655 zone. Let's have a look at that, Rav. For me, I don't use zones for TPs as such. I only use zones to manage. I don't use them as TPs though. You know, yeah, it is a decent level. Look, resistance, look, support. Big level, to be fair. Price could go into there, but for me, much more better targets for me. 2652 here. The thing is, if price does come into this liquidity, you're probably going to hit 2655 anyway and then push down. But yeah, decent level there. I don't use them as TPs. I use them as like management zones. But yeah, beautiful 20 ticks there. Could be done for the day. So good to wait for the right setup and boom. Yeah, that's it, man. Like, seriously. All day, I've said, this has been super choppy. This is just noise. Anybody in the community who's been in the gold chat today, you'll understand what I said. I even put it in the Telegram. So anybody in the free Telegram who's just joined the live, I said, this is just noise. There's nothing here that's showing us any sort of direction at all. You know, there was one valid entry down here, but like I say, if you managed it, nothing happened. And then look, as soon as we break out, we get our 20 tick position. $200 there in like 5 minutes. And yeah, that's it. It's literally it. If you're done for the day there, be happy with that. Be happy that you've stuck to the plan. Be happy that you've taken that one trade and got your daily goal, you know? Yep, Dan, how are you, mate? Welcome to the stream, bro. How are you how are you doing, mate? Yeah, we've got 20 people. We've got 20 people in now. So, like I say, guys, drop a like. Let's smash 10 likes again quickly. Let's smash 10 likes. Indy, nice, yeah, nice, man. Yol, that was a perfect setup. Yeah, textbook. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean the chart because I'm gonna do a fresh analysis for the YouTube live. Obviously, people who aren't in the community who are here, they won't understand what we're looking at. But like I say, what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna break this down really quickly because it was super clean. Like I say, this range here is just noise. This absolute noise. Look, bearish, back to bullish, bearish, back to bullish, bearish, back to bullish, and we finally broke out. So from like 7 o'clock in the morning when we came onto the charts all the way to now, so 4 hours. If you just set alerts here and here, you'd have only been alerted on this candle here, on this 30-minute candle breaking above, or maybe the one before, depending on how you've got your alert set. But look at that. You sweep the liquidity, you close above, you take the next candle flip higher, and bang. You catch your move. You catch your move there. And that's what it's all about. Look at that. In and out. I personally took 20 ticks. Not that I wanted to. Like I say, I would have taken half. But I pushed my TP up to 21 ticks. And it took me out because it literally hit TP in a minute. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Like, I'm not complaining at all. Is Top Step Contracts? Yes, it is. Top Steps Contracts. Jamie, welcome, mate. How's it going? What website or app do you put your alerts on? I use TradingView for my alerts. Like, I literally just, like, for example, if I've got a level, this is just an example. If I've got on a level here, you just, like, double click or right click. And then you just, one sec. What's that? Yeah, you just put add alert, horizontal line, and then you can just put crossing, crossing up, crossing down. I have it on crossing and then just put create and it'll add it onto that, exactly onto that level. Let me just X off that. But yeah, this liquidity got smashed as mentioned here. But let me do a fresh analysis because we need to know what we're looking for now. After this push to the upside, to be honest with you, there's nothing much we can do until we close back above here. I'd say. Even here, big level here too, 26.52. But I'm happy we've caught that. Seriously, that's what happens. Patience pays, like I mentioned in the free Telegram. How do you kind of do contracts versus lot size? For me, I use one contract because my account size is the highest you can do with Top Step. Well, I've got the 150k account size. For me, it's 2 contracts. Full risk, 1 contract half risk, or depending on how the market is. Like this entry here for me was half risk at 1 contract. It was a full risk. It was a valid full risk trade, but the reason I took half risk was due to this chop today. You know, it's been very choppy today. If we had some great moves, good momentum and good volume all day, I'd have just taken a full risk, no problem. But just with how close we were to the liquidity, how choppy it's been all day, I just took 1 contract. But yeah, still 20 ticks, 1 contract. But anybody else, just use 1 contract. You know, and I worked it out. Seriously, if you're on a Top Step and you're using 1 contract, you know, you've got like a 200 tick buffer. 200 tick buffer, literally, if you've got a 200 tick buffer on 1 contract and you're using, you know, 10 to 15 tick stop losses, you've got 15 to 20 trades before you lose the account. So 1 contract's absolutely fine. Moon, how's it going? Joe was thinking sell around 26.52. Well, for me now, sells are back in play. You know, you've got 26.52 for me as a target to buy into. And do I think this liquidity is going to get taken? Yeah, I do. You know, we've started to close out of this range here. You know, we're still above this range that we had. No, there's no new range for me. I'm still looking for buys. The only way I'd get buys now is if we get confirmation, okay? If I get that 3 candle confirmation pattern, like now, look at this. Look at this green candle here. If this green candle can close bullish now, I'm going to long into this wick fill here, and I'm going to long into these highs to the left, okay? But I need to wait for this 15 to close in 6 minutes, okay? So that is the plan. So the breakdown for me is I'm only looking for buys right now. Only looking for buys because we've just broke out of this level, 26.45 here. We broke above. You can see the momentum's there to the upside now. I'll only be looking for sells if we start closing back below these levels like 26.44, okay? But yeah, any sort of confirmation above 26.45 here, I'll look to go long into this level above market. So we have still got a decent, look at that, we've still got 50 ticks to play longs into 26.52. And like Moon said, this is a liquidity high. Once we get into here, could you see gold reverse? Yeah, you could. You could see the liquidity grab and continuation lower. I am currently on a GU sell. Moon, I personally don't I only trade gold, but let me have a look at GU for you. I used to trade GU used to be like one of my favorite pairs. I used to smash GU. But oh, yeah, not bad to be honest. Yeah, decent. Like I say, you've got a little pullback, you're bearish. Like I say, I don't look at FX anymore. FX price action to me is just not clean. It's very wicky, and there's, like I say, look, nice stop hunt, continuation down, that's beautiful. Taking liquidity there, yeah, you could continue for a pullback. Like I say, if I was in sells, I'd just be watching this level here, personally. See what price does there. But yeah, nice work, man. If you're following your plan, that's all that matters. But yeah, for me, I'm watching how this 15 closes. We've still got 40, 50 ticks to take to the upside. So stay alert, guys. Could be in for a trade in the next 5 minutes. Jamie, good day so far. Yeah, Jamie, nice. Jamie, is it Jamie from the community? Is it Jamie from the community? How would you calculate profit on one contract, say on a 50k, considering getting top step alongside? Rav, are you talking about trading a personal at the same time as a top step? Is that what you mean, Rav? Do you mean just trading a personal and a top step account at the same time? Moon, oh, is it Moon who used to be in the community? Yeah, we have an FP. Yeah, I've already seen that. Like I say, it's if we're looking at, sorry, one sec, let me just get back onto the main chart. Yeah, nice. Is it Moon from the community? Well, let me just bring up the news really quickly again. Tuesday, yeah, we have 3 p.m. It's actually job openings and PMI. Red news at 3 p.m. It won't really affect us. You know, we've got 2.5 hours. So for me, we've got all this range into these highs. We've got over 50 ticks still to trade until we create a new range. And for me right now, I'm going to wait. If this 30 rejects, that'll be my new range to close above. I'd need buys back above here then. But I need to wait for this to close 3 minutes to create that new range. Oh, wow. Let me just bring up... Guys, let me just bring up the chat really quickly. It's all from your videos. I took notes. Beautiful, Moon. That's what it's all about, mate. If you're taking notes and profiting, beautiful. You've taken liquidity. Good stuff. Hello, mate. How you doing, Matt? Welcome, bro. Welcome, mate. To be honest, my personal doesn't have much funds, $500. Yeah, so, like, just work it out. So if you're taking a 50k top step 1 contract, $500 is what? Divided by, is it 100? 10 would be 5. Yeah, divide by 100. So you can do 1 contract divided by 100. So just use 0.01, 0.02. That's what I'd do personally. I'm not telling you to do that. That's not advice. I have to say that, Indy or Rav. That's not advice. That's just that's what I would do personally if it were me. Yeah, $1 is $10 per tick. Yeah, you're right there, Matt. Ron. It is Bro Moon. Yeah, welcome, man. Prefer to risk on a funded now instead. Yeah, Indy, 100%. And it's the same for me. Like, guys, if you haven't got the funds to like fund a personal, just think of it this way. On 150k, and I'm not saying this to brag. I don't share profits that much. Like, if people ask for them, I give them. Like, people were asking for my profit splits for like a month. I don't really like to do it because I don't like to brag and show off. It's a bit cringy. But I did it for a couple of months where I posted payouts, and I got like 7 payouts in 2 months. Like one and a half months, I got like 7 payouts from Top Step, and it was over like 6 to 7k in almost 2 months, and that's just on 150k account. So on a £38 account, because it costs £38 to take, I withdrew 6 to 7k over a month and a half, 6 weeks. So that's just to show you the possibilities of what you can do. And like I say, if you haven't got the money to put in a personal, you know, take the challenge, and then, you know, that 5 or 6k, you can put that in a personal, or you can put it into bigger challenges, higher challenges, 100k, 150k challenges. But yeah, that's why trading's super. One sec, guys. Let me just delete this. Something on my chart. Well, in the way of the chart. Like I was saying, that's why trading's great as well, because like, you can compound it very, very good. Like, take payouts, go for bigger challenges, put it into personal, compound that over time. Yeah, mate, I haven't come for... Yeah, nice one, Jamie. Good stuff, mate. Good to see you in the lives. Good to see you active as well in the community. Good stuff, man. But yeah, guys, this 30 looks like it's going to be rejecting this level here, okay? So for me now, I'll be wanting buys back above here, okay? It'll be buys back above this level. Let me just see what makes sense. Let me see what makes sense. It's this level that makes sense to me now, because look at this. Resistance, support, resistance. Look at this. Resistance, now acting as resistance. Back above 26.48 now. This is my new range. I just want to post this. I'm not looking for sells really at all until you start closing back below here. Yeah, no sells for me at all. Gold, really. I look at the 4 hourly. Look at the daily. It's bullish. I am open to both sides, of course, like always. I am open to both sides. But it'd have to get back below this level here, this recent resistance. Oh, you've got some half risk sells. I'm personally not taking them. I've taken 20 ticks today. The market's been quite choppy, but you have got some valid half risk sells. You know, you could take it down to that double bottom. But I'm not taking half risk entries today. Gold's choppy. Not clean PA so far. Like I said, we've taken 1 trade today, 20 ticks. Beautiful. But it hasn't been the cleanest. Yeah, guys, I'm not in this. Don't think I'm entering that. I just marked it up just to show you where the entry would be. But I'm not personally entering that. And I wouldn't have entered. I'd only be looking to enter now on the flip down. If it flipped now, that would be my entry. It wouldn't be at market. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Guys, let's smash that like button. Let's smash that like button. Do you get a payout should you pass the challenge? Do you get a payout should you pass the challenge? So when you pass the challenge, or any challenge, but with Top Step, we'll use Top Step as an example. So if you've got a 50k challenge, you get to 53k. Okay, you get to 53k, you pass. They give you a fresh account. You know, we have 50k balance. Anything above 50k, you get profit, and it's 100% profit. It's not profit split. You only get a profit split of 90-10 when you get over 10k. Okay. When would you recommend opening multiple fundeds and then combining them? For me, what I would do personally, if I was you, if I was looking to combine challenges or combine funded accounts, for me it would be after you've taken a few payouts on maybe 1 or 2 accounts. If you can get 2 accounts and combine them straight away, take a couple of payouts, then go for more. Get another couple more and then combine the 4. You can really compound it quite quickly when you look at it. You know, don't try and take some risk off the table as well with some payouts. You know, if you say, let's say to get 2 50k accounts you spend £300-400. You know, try and take that off. You know, take that off with them 2 accounts, get a payout, and then try and combine more with that money. Take a little bit of risk off the table. And to be honest, the only like for me, this 50k account that I only had it for like 5 months. But I didn't take funding seriously at all because FX just messed me about too much. You know, I had many payouts. I had accounts that got literally. I had 2 accounts that two firms that shut down, lost me over 200-300k. Have had payouts declined for random stuff. Joe, do you get the order? Yeah, I get the order filled sound. I get the order filled sound. Yeah, it is good. What concepts do you teach? I teach liquidity grabs, and I trade into and away from liquidity, and I teach basically levels and liquidity. Yeah, so I trade into and away from liquidity, Kua, and I teach liquidity and level concepts. If anybody does want to join the Discord community mentorship, I'll paste the link. I've pasted the link twice in the comments. If you want to join, feel free to join. I've put the link in there. Yeah. Hi, Joe. Do you use the built-in copy trading for the 320 ticks? Yeah, I did. Yeah. So I had 20 ticks times 3. Which that's where the levels come into it as well. That's when the compounding actually. You see the compounding firsthand, like when you've got like 3-4 accounts, you're taking $200, 20 ticks, which isn't much. Like the trade that we caught in the community was literally this move here. Okay, we caught that little move, that push up. That times 4 is a decent little thing. $800 or something. But guys, don't try. Seriously, you're looking at me now. Like I've been trading 7 years. Don't look at me and go. If you've been trading 2-3 years, don't look at me and go. I need to get 4 accounts like Joe. I need to get 3 accounts like Joe. I need to link all my accounts. I need to start. No, don't look at it. Everyone's on their own journey. You're just gonna lose accounts if you try rushing it. Get the consistency first. When you get the consistency and the trade management and the psychology correct, then you'll be able to get to that stage. Okay, it's a journey at the end of the day. All right. Oh, guys, got 30 people here. Welcome, everyone. Yes, guys, let's smash a like on this video as well. Let's get to 15 today. Let's smash 15 likes. Guys, I'm going to, also, community members, I'm going to upload my journal so you can see my trades as well. You know, that's what we're doing this year. I've got 5 trades in my journal. I'm going to, once this journal's all sorted, I'm going to post it so everyone can use it as well. You can see my trades, see where I've entered, see when I've been stopped out, and you'll see like my journal will be 25 tick win, 26 tick win, 15 tick win, and then my loss will be like -8, -6 ticks. And that is, seriously guys, when you start looking at it in terms of smaller losses, bigger wins, stay consistent with it, you'll see the gains yourself, guys. And be happy as well. Be happy with the journey. You know, be happy with the journey you're on as well. Everyone's journey is different. Like for me, it took 4 years to see any sort of payouts. You know, I traded for like 4 years. I got absolutely shafted for 4 years. Obviously, it's not nice, but it's the journey. If you don't go through that, what's the point? It's not as easy as you think. Obviously, people who join the community as well, with the mentorship as well, it's a lot easier, for sure. It's a lot quicker. You know, for me, it took 4 years to get anywhere close to where profitable. But I get people who join the community and in 2 months they're getting payouts. Which that's what community mentorship and having a real mentorship does. Like for me, it took 4 years to see any sort of withdrawals, like 3 or 4 years. If somebody joins the community and can get a payout in 4 to 5 months, that's great, and we've had that. Let's have a look at this. I need to be more patient, like Joe. Nice one, Where's you getting there, mate? Seriously, you're gonna be smashing it. Your psychology and your patience is definitely getting there for sure. Better, seriously, 1 trade per day, 1 to 2 trades per day is better than 10. I don't care what anybody says. One sec, guys. I'm just going to turn my air conditioning down really quickly. Bear with me. Right, we're back. The journey is what makes it worth it. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%. Definitely. Like, guys, anybody got any questions, let me know too. Any questions at all? Travel trading, traveling in general, trading related, community related, let me know. I'll answer any questions. And let's smash one more like, guys. Somebody who hasn't liked the video, we've got 25. We've got 25 here. If you haven't liked it, just get a like. I want to get 10 each video. It'd be good. 15's even better. Joe, have you heard of Lark Funding? Yeah, I have. I've heard of Lark Funding. But they're FX, I think. I don't think they do futures. So for me, I just stay away from FX. Yeah. One sec, I'm just going to stick this charger in. Yeah, Moon, like you say, I know you trade FX now. But yeah, if you move to futures, you'll see the difference. It's a lot cleaner. Like I said, I only use futures for execution, and the execution's way better. Prop firms are way better. The payout system's way better. Yeah, I've heard a lot of funding. I'll have a nice one get 12 likes. Legends. Seriously, smashing it 12. Legends. All legends. Yeah, but I haven't actually looked at Lark Funding too much. I've heard of them, yeah. Are they good, Dean? Do you use them? I've personally never used them. Oh, look at that. Bang. Straight right. We're getting above this level now, which is clean. Look at that 5 minute. Instantly pushed up. Look at that 5. Bang. 35 tick push. To be honest with you, I'm happy to grab 20 ticks today. I'm really happy. Like, there's literally been nothing here. If you've been trading in here, expect to hit break evens and very, very small wins or losses. Like, you're not going to be getting anything significant there. Moon, yeah, it's the same principle as FX. That's what the community, like I say, we've got. Everybody in the community is trading some sort of futures because, like I say, that's, for me personally, that's what I use. And yeah, it's just a lot easier to get payouts, a lot easier to pass. Like, you need 6% to pass. You know, they're not stupid rules that you... Like, FX, you need 10% and then 5%, 15%. Like, crazy. Can I use the strategies that use on FX? Yeah, 100% Moon. Definitely. Definitely, mate. All the strategies that I teach it, and that's the thing. All the concepts that I use, that I teach in the community, you can use. Yeah, all the concepts that I teach in the community, you can use them on Top Step, and yeah. When, one sec. One thing that annoys me with FX is the spreads. Yeah, with futures, wherever you enter, if you enter at market on futures, you tend to get the exact entry. Wherever you enter, that is your entry. One sec. But yeah, for me, futures prop firms, futures is just way better for execution, and that's why I use Top Step. The execution's way better. But yeah, I'm waiting now. I'm waiting for this 15. If this 15 can close any what bullish, that's better. Yeah, like you probably will get a wick fill as well. Is everyone's internet all good? My I just got a notification saying internet went down. I hope it's all good now. The smallest account's 50k, and that's £38, Moon. Yeah, just have a go on it, mate. Have a go. You'll probably see this. You'll probably see this wick fill now. Yo, all good. Nice one, mate. Nice one. Cheers for smashing the likes too, guys. Guys, if you're not subscribed as well, drop a subscribe. We're on the road to 500. We've almost hit 500 subs too. So let's smash that and get that smashed. India, choppy, buffering. Yeah, it should be all good now. Was buffering for a bit. Now it's back. Nice one. Cheers, guys. Yeah, my connection. It said establish can't find connection, so I just reset the thing. Really, that's why it buffered, because I just changed connections really quickly. Yeah, it's all good now on my end anyway. Connection seems good. Starting my 50k tonight. Good stuff, man. Yeah, it's all good on my end too, guys. All good on my end. Nice one. Sound. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can catch some longs into these highs. You're probably going to see a 15-minute wick fill as well, to be honest. You're probably going to see this 15-minute wick fill higher. You know, you've got like 8 tick stops there into these highs. Just because how you've took liquidity down here. You know, you took liquidity here, you've closed above. It's not the cleanest, but you are probably going to see a wick fill at some point. And look at it now, starting to fly. Let's have a look at this. Was this not a good entry flip? Yeah, it was. This 15 was actually quite clean, but I'm not entering it because this was a liquidity grab here. It's not the cleanest. Yeah, it's not the cleanest, but yeah, it is valid. I'm not taking any entries that aren't super clean for me. But yeah, this wick feels decent. Yeah, Aaron, TradingView template for Top Steps, very easy to use. Very, very easy to use. It's Top Step X as well, so all good. Or the higher liquidity targets your confirmation that will push close above the level. Or the higher liquidity targets your confirmation that it will push up into if you're close level. Yeah, so Yol, what I'm going to be looking for now, we've still got this liquidity to take here, look. These highs still need taking, and we're actually running into them highs now, kind of. If we can get back above this level, which we did on this 15 kind of, but not super strong, I'm going to be looking for a push higher. So I'm going to have to wait for this 30 to close. See what happens when this next hour, 30-minute chart closes, okay? But yeah, I would have liked this last 15 to close bullish, and then I would have caught that little move higher there from here, say 15 ticks, which would have been decent. But this was valid but not clean. This was valid but not clean. Indy, just Rav, just close your YouTube and bring it back up again, mate. That's the reason. Look at that, smashing TP there. You got a nice 30 ticks there. To be honest with you, I'm not bothered about missing entries that aren't super clean. This last 15 didn't close strong enough for me. You know, we broke above the range, but it didn't close strong like I like it to. You know, into these highs is clean, but nah. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour to close. Not the 4 hour, the hourly to close. Like I said, there's not much room. When do you stop trading for the day? Not a time. I normally stop trading about 5 p.m., 6 p.m. UK time, but that's not because there's not moves at them times. No, you can still catch positions at 5 to 6 p.m. Onwards, you know, from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. you can still catch positions. The volume might not be as good, but you can still catch 30, 40 ticks within them times for sure. But, you know, I start trading at 7 a.m. You know, I need to have a cut-off point at some point. And, you know, I'll trade from 7 till 4 or 5 p.m. But I will have a couple of hours within the day where price is ranging and I'm not doing anything. So I'm not trading constantly all that time, you know. I set alerts. Like, look at here. If we look down here, price from 7 o'clock here onwards didn't do anything until here, look. So 4 hours, I'm not doing anything. I've got my alert set. No, I don't really have a cutoff. If for example, if I lose, for example, like 2 trades, I won't miss out on trade number 3. No, it's very rare I'll take 3 to 4 trades, but if I do take 3 to 4 trades, I'll execute every valid position that I see, every clean valid position that I see. And TP got smashed there. Like I say, if anybody took this, it's very clean. If you took this entry, it is clean. Not clean. It is valid. Sorry. If you took this entry here, it's valid. It's just not super clean. That's what I meant. I meant the opposite way around. You know, you've still got your liquidity grab. You still got your closure. You still got your entry flip. But look at the clause. The clause wasn't. The closure wasn't strong. Okay. So why is this valid? Like Yol asked, the reason it's valid is because you've taken recent liquidity. Look, this red candle took the candles to its left liquidity, and you've closed above on this green candle. This green candle closed above the range. You take the flip of this next candle higher. And you know, if you take the flip of this next candle higher, look at that. You've got 30 ticks into the liquidity. And where is the liquidity? The liquidity is to the left, look. And look what happens. Look, these highs here. These highs here, 26.52, look to the right, you smash that liquidity. And what does gold do when it comes in to this liquidity? It reverses. And look at this 5. Absolutely smashed the liquidity. It's smashed the liquidity, and it's reversing now to the downside. So, like I mentioned at the start of the stream, 26.52, big liquidity target level to try and target today, and price has smashed that. Is this example valid every time? Yes. Yeah. Yol, if you go to the trade breakdowns and have a look at all the impulse entries, all the impulse entries are very similar. Liquidity grab, closure, entry. Okay, take a look at them. This is just an impulse entry on the 15. Guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'm just going to go and get some water, okay? I'll be back in 2. I'm just going to get some water and I'll be back, okay? Hang fire. Yo. Right, we're back, guys. We're back. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. TG is 15, looking okay. Gold loves liquidity targets. Yeah, you're right there, Ron. Does. It runs into liquidity beautifully. Rav, TG is... What's that? TG... Oh, this 15. Sorry, this 15 is looking good. Let's have a look. Yeah, for me, because we've taken this liquidity, there's no real targets to look to run into right now. That's the only problem. Because now we've taken this liquidity here. 26.55 next target. It'll be these highs here. Yeah, 26.59. No, 26.55 would be a management point, but it's not a target. I use I use my liquidity highs and lows as my targets. I don't use anything else really. Now this has been taken, you'd really want a new range to form. You'd really want a new range to form. To be honest with you, gold's pushed and we've taken our 20 ticks, but we'll stay and see what happens. I'll stay on for another hour. See if we can catch anything. This, yeah, India. I thought you meant that, bro. All good. All good, mate. 17 likes. Legends. Legends, guys. Appreciate everybody. And if you've just subscribed, nice one. Appreciate everyone who subscribes, follows, likes, comments. Nice one. Yeah, 15. Oh, 30 as well. 30 closed. What's that 15 saying? Yeah, you had valid 15 entries too. I didn't get it. That happened too quick. Look at it. It's the first minute. 16 ticks down, first minute. 16 ticks up. Look at that in 1 minute. 30 ticks. Either side. Yeah, so right now on gold, what you want to see, like Ron just said, you'd want a little pullback, and then you'd like to long back into them highs if you ranged. And don't think that it's going to take until 3 a.m. to see this. No, it's not. What you tend to see on gold is it'll pull back like so, do something like that in the next 30-40 minutes, and then you'll break back above and you'll enter into them highs. It doesn't take that as long as you think. But if we continue higher and get that confirmation, these will be my next targets here. So 26.59 are my next targets. Nah, 55. Like I say, Rav, I know you like level the 55 level. Yeah, it's a big level, but I'll use it as a management point. Like, what do I mean by a management point? If we get the entry here, yeah, if we come into this level, you know, you reduce risks. If you want to take partials, you can do, but I won't use it as a TP. No. To be honest with you, I wouldn't be looking to long now until we got that pullback on gold. Because if you start longing here, you know gold's going to pull back at some point before continuing higher. So like when gold pushes, if it confirms, if it gives you the confirmation here, yeah, you can long it higher, of course. But I would prefer a pullback. There's news at 3. Yeah, PA tends to slow down a little bit before news. We have got news in 2 hours. But like I say, if we do confirm, you know, 15-minute confirmation, 30-minute, 5-minute confirmation here, I will take longs again because we haven't formed a new range. But if gold does pull back and creates that new range, I'll wait for a close above here before looking to long again. And that's how we do. But Rav, you're right, mate. It's good that you're seeing these levels too. Like this level here, 26.55. Don't get me wrong, it's a big level. Gold will probably react a little bit there. But that's not how I trade. I trade into and away from liquidity. Okay? And if I start taking profits at levels instead of liquidity, I'm not following my plan. That's just how it goes. But gold's flying. This 5-minute is interesting. This 5 minute is very interesting. I'm going to see how bullish it closes and how big the bottom wick is on the next candle. And don't get me wrong, 26.55. I know a couple have mentioned 26.55. I'm not saying that gold can't come into 26.55 here. One sec, let me push it down. I'm not saying gold's not going to come into there. Yeah, it's likely to push into there. But I don't do anything at these levels. Like, I'll manage, of course, but you know, my target's here at 26.60. This 5 minute is interesting. A lot of volume too. Yeah, and the reason I talk about a pullback now is not because... The reason I talk about pullback now is because I don't want to take trades long right now. No, if it confirms here, or say here, for example, I'll long into this liquidity, of course. But the reason I say let's pull back, we're likely to have a pullback, is because gold is very bullish right now. It's likely to pull back first, create that new high to then take it after. You know, then you've got targets here. So yeah, it's more likely to pull back. It's been going up since 10. It's been going up since 10. For me, it's been going up since 11:30 here. This is just noise. Yeah, if you yeah, 10 o'clock it has, but for me, when we break out of this range, it was 11. So from 11, you've actually got the volume pushed to the upside, which is decent. But, like I say, we've got a decent level here to look to long into. We've also got some targets above. So let's see what gold wants to give us. Hang in. We're gonna catch something here. Oh, it's just, why does it wick like that? I know for sure what's gonna happen. But I just can't take it because it's not to plan for me. How many ticks is it into wick fill on that 5? 15 ticks. I might take a little half risk here. We did close above the candle. So do you know what? I am gonna take a 3 micro position here. Wherever it flips, I am gonna take a 3 micros. So like I'm using a third of my normal risk, okay? This is just a confirmation play, 5 minute confirmation play. To try and trade it into these highs here. Let's see if we can get a 60 tick push. But like I say, I've got a buy stop in here. 5 minute confirmation, buy stop. Let me just put buy stop, so people don't think I'm in. Not in yet. I'll only get activated when we flip. So if this can flip, I want it to flip in the next minute. If it doesn't flip with like a minute to go, I'll just delete it. Or if it breaks these lows, then I'll delete it. But yeah, I've got this buy stop in on these highs. I'm just going to put a level here where my buy stop is. I'm happy to trade 3 micros on this. Like I say, if it hits TP, it's not much. But if it breaks these lows as well, I'll delete. Hey, hello from Phuket. The Fight Zone. Who's the... have you got a name? Or... Yeah, welcome. Welcome from Phuket, mate. I love Phuket. I was in Phuket for about 6 months last year. Yeah, alright, I'm deleting this buy stop. Yeah, buy stops are deleted. We've broke this law here. If you break the prior candle law, you delete your buy stop. So I've deleted this buy stop. That'd have been nice. If that flipped, I think you would have got decent wick fill there. 15 ticks into wick fill. Break even on wick fill. And then you've got a runner into like there, 60 ticks. That'd have been a decent entry, but it is what it is. It didn't flip in time. It took the law. On to the next one. See how this next 5 closes now. If this next 5 closes bullish, I'll enter on the next 5. You know, it's not missed. You know, if this closes bullish like here, then you've really only missed like 3 or 4 ticks. It's not much to say you're getting like 30 ticks into them highs. If this next 5 closes bullish, I'd be more happy to take longs anyway. But we've got a minute and a half. Let's see what happens. Like I say, we've not created a new range yet until this 15 closes anyway. So... Ah, Jake. I thought so, you little bugger. How's it going, mate? Jake from Phuket. Yes, bro. I thought I knew it were. Little bugger. Welcome, man. But, yeah, like I say, for me, it gets cancelled when you take the prior 5 low. Okay? So, this next 5 flip, if we can close bullish here in 35 seconds, I'll just take the next 5 flip higher. And obviously first, I'll be managing at these highs here. We'll see. But yeah, we've got 15 seconds here. It's closing nicely, touch wood. Bottom wick, and then I'll enter the next candle flip. Let's have a look. Oh, straight up. Beautiful. It's what we love to see. We love gold just to push straight up like that. Oh. Like I say, I'm only taking 3 macros on these until we create a new range. You know, if you think about it, 3 macros is like 30% of a full risk. So if you're using like a 15 tick stop, 3 macros is like 4 ticks full risk. It's literally nothing. The next entry for me will probably be on... Let me have a look at the 4. No, 4 hourly wouldn't even give me an entry. It's been super sloppy as gold, to be fair, with liquidity grabs. You know, you had a beautiful liquidity grab here, and we actually did catch like 20 ticks. We did catch a win here, 20 ticks, but since that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles on the 30 and 4 on the 15. I can't take the next 15, unfortunately. I can only take 5 confirmation. This was nice 5-minute confirmation, but the problem was it pushed up straight away 10 ticks. I'd need that bottom wick and then flip higher. But we are going to come into 26.56 now. We are going to come up into these levels. 26.56 we are going to come into. Guys, if you've just joined, let's smash 3 more likes. Get to 20. Let's smash 20, okay? I'm going to stay on for a little bit longer today as well. Like, I stayed on for an hour and a half yesterday. I'll try and stay on longer if the Wi-Fi wants to... If the Wi-Fi stays strong and doesn't want to ruin our day, I'll stay on for longer. If it starts getting choppy again... not choppy. If it starts getting... going on and off with Wi-Fi, I'll just end it an hour and a half. Like, some days it's perfect, and then you'll get 1 day or 2 days in the week where it's just like in and out. I have my TP at 58. Yeah, good stuff, Moon. Perfect TP there, mate. Yeah, for me, I think gold is going to come into this liquidity if... gold's going to come into this liquidity if it pushes and breaks this level here. Yeah, if anyone's got any questions as well, drop a question in the comments. Any questions at all, let me know. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice one, guys. 19. Sound. When it pushes like this, would you not want to enter anyways, or would you say confirmation? Yo, the problem is if you start looking to just enter now, I think this is what you mean. If you just start looking to enter now, this 15 or 30 minute candle is not a confirmed close. Like, look at this red bearish candle here, okay? What was this? Before this closed bearish, this would have been a bullish candle like we're seeing now. So if I just start looking to enter now without the closure, this candle could close bearish like this one below to the left. And if that happens, then you take a stop loss. And that's not what we do. We wait for the close, we wait for the volume. We wait for that confirmation, the closure confirmation. But that's why we have the 3 candle pattern confirmation entry too. Because if you have that confirmation now, you can continue to take longs. Joe giving the breads soundwares, nice one, mate. 2 macros and break even, nice. Did you enter 15 minute input? Did you take the 15 impulse here? Confirmation here. Take that, where's 30 ticks there. Guys, anybody on who's not in the community, put a thumb up. Put a thumbs up in the comments if you're not in the community. If you're just here from YouTube or from the Telegram, drop a comment if you're not in the community. I wanna see how many who isn't. 5 minute, nice, mate, nice. Yeah, that one there. Yeah, I personally cut this because it took the low for like 30 ticks. I'm gonna see how big this next bottom wick is on the 5. I could enter this. I could enter this next one. If it gives a bottom wick, 8 ticks. If this flips now, you're probably going to see it flip higher into these levels. You know, you got 16 ticks there. I'm just going to see if I can do like maybe a 2 micros. Let me have a look at the 15 really quickly. Bang. 5's flipping nicely. 8 tick stop loss there. You're probably going to see it push into these levels now. Probably going to see it push into 26.66 to be fair. You'd be break even here, or you'd be taking partials at 15 ticks. Yeah, this next 5's valid too. Yeah, I'd be break even for sure. There you go, 10 ticks there for you. Anybody who took that 10 ticks, nice one. 5 minute confirmation playing out 2 times in this price action. Look at that. Guys, I'm going to do a poll. So the poll is, are you in the community or not? Okay, it's yes or no. If you're in the community, put yes. If you're not in the community, put no. I want to see how many people are in the community. And I want to see how many aren't, okay? Let me know. Quite interesting. Obviously, we've got 30 people here. I'm interested to see what the ratio is. But that 5 minute, there's your 5 minute confirmation play. Beautiful. Look at that. Liquidity, bullish close, flip entry, bang. You've got 15 ticks there. If you took that, congrats. You're 15 ticks in profit. I'd be definitely managing at this level. This is your management level. Your TP level's higher. Your TP level for me would be up here at like 40 ticks. But your management level, you'd be break even managing. If you want to take partials, you can. Yeah, so on the poll that I've got, guys, if you're in the Discord community mentorship, put yes. If you're not in the Discord community, if you're just joining through YouTube, or if you're not in the mentorship, the education, put no. Like I say, we've got 30 here. I don't think everybody will vote, but I want to see what the average is. I think it is about 50-50. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful management. Look at that. 26.56 to the T. Look at that, 2656 to the T. Should have kept it open, but it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is, mate. It is what it is. Oh, 60, 64. Yeah, I think it's about 50-50. I think it's about 50-50, guys. Get your votes in on the poll. If you're not joined the poll, if you're in the community, put yes. If you're not, put no, guys. I think it's 50-50 is about right, I think. 15 hit here, 15 not. All good. Yeah, good stuff, Ron. Like I say, you've got into them high, into that level. You've got 13 ticks there. That's literally all you need. Yeah, it's like I said, there'll be more, but it wouldn't have hit break even yet anyway. Look at the minute, you'd be still in this position, especially on the flip. It flipped perfectly as well. You'd have the flip down here. Look at that, bang. Beautiful, beautiful position there. Look at that, bang. And this is why I don't manage at levels, because look, if I managed at a level here, that's 13 ticks, no way, bang. If I took profit here, that's 13 ticks, look at that. Look at that, bang, bang, bang. Beautiful. So the entry there that I just gave was entry the flip, stops below for 8 ticks, beautiful TP hit there, 47 ticks there, bang. Bread, yeah, get your breads in the chat, guys, get your breads in the chat. Let's hear it. Let's see it. Just closed 71 pips. Aaron, legend, mate. Good work, bro. Yeah, nice work, man. Nice push up, to be fair, on gold there. There's a few entries, especially now you're closing above. Absolutely flying today's gold. I won't be looking for sells really now until tomorrow. Unless you did do something crazy on news in the next hour and a half. But yeah, look at that. What a beast of a position that is. TP hit, nice one, Moon. Good work, bro. Same for me. Same for me. Yeah, I'd have TP hit now. I didn't take it, but I'd have TP hit. I'm happy with my 20 ticks for the day. But look at that. Bang. Like, look at that TP hit. Anybody who doesn't understand what we're doing here, look at that. Look at the TP, 2660. I said at the start of the session, we're going to run into 2660 before anything. And look at that, bang. Straight into it, straight away from it. $100 pips. Who's not in the community learning the strategy? Yeah. That, like, guys, if you haven't voted on the poll, let me know. If you're not in the community, put no. I want to see. If you are, put yes. I think, yeah, like I said, I don't think everybody who's not in. I'm done for the day. Good stuff, Bill, man. I'd be done as well if I were you. Beautiful position. Look at that. That's like plus 55 ticks there. You've got like 55 ticks profit there. Beautiful. Alright, yeah, so we've got decent. We've got like 5 people not, 6 people who is. Normal. Yol, another W. Yeah, that's what it's about, bro. Smashing the wins. Smashing the wins. Half one. Done. Half one day done. Like, there's no need to chase anything now. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful push up there. There is still upside potential too. There is still upside potential. Anybody who hasn't taken trades, I'd just wait for price to close above another level before, like I say, it is over. There is a lot of volume to the upside. So, you know, you've got a level coming into now, 2660. If you get back above there, you're probably going to see this liquidity taken. But keep it clean. Wait for a range. Wait for a rejection. Wait for a strong close. Ripping those highs. Love to see it, man. Consistency from Joe again. Yeah, that's what it's about, guys. If you're not, guys, if you're not in the community, if you're not in the mentorship, seriously think about getting yourself in. You know, you've got a full trading course, full trade breakdowns. You've got my help. You've got the gold chats. There's everything there. Literally, for the people who voted no, there's about 7 or 8 of you who voted no. Seriously think about investing for even if it's a couple of months just to see what it's all about, but you won't be disappointed. You know, the level of mentorship and the level of education that I give is insane. So I've just put the link in if you do want to join. In the comments if you do want to join. And like I say, this is not a trade. Like I said, this is not a trade that I only take as well. Members take it too. It's not just me. But yeah, the links in the TikTok comments. The trade today more than pays for the community. Yeah, 100%, definitely. That's what were crazy to me though, and it is like the beginner. As soon as like beginner traders start trading, it is true. Like they'll waste £500 to £1,000 trying to trade their own account, trying to make money, losing all the time personal funds. They'll happily lose money, personal funds, without education. They're super happy to do that. But as soon as they want to pay for a good educator who trades live and proves that he can trade, you know, £60 for a full month of education to get to the next level is insane value. It will probably be, the price will probably be going up too. Like in the next couple of months, I will probably increase the price. Now, you know, I've got 35 members. The price will probably start getting increased soon. But like, that's what I mean. As soon as the someone says, "Oh, get mentorship for £60 for a full month," you know, to level up, they don't want to do it. But they'll happily lose like a full year's mentorship in a month or in a week. Took one together in the community before the stream too. Yeah, anybody who was wondering, we took 15-minute entry here. 20 ticks, 25 ticks here, and look at that, bang. What's that? 50 ticks there. Decent, 50 ticks. Well, I personally didn't take this, but members took it. Martin took it. Nice. That's it, guys, that's it. Look at that. Martin took a nice W there, but messed up earlier, so back level. Yeah, good stuff, Martin, mate. Good stuff, mate. Nice work. Yeah, I thought it were. Community or not, we got 50-50. 50% are, 50 aren't. We go again tomorrow, Martin. Yeah, 100% Rom. Like I say, This is the final liquidity target for me. I'll probably trade it up into this liquidity target up here. 26.65. Once it tests them highs, I'll be done for the day. And I'd suggest everyone else should be too. But you're coming into a level, 26.66. What made you target 26.60? Just these highs here, Rav. Like I mentioned at the start of the session, yeah, we have got levels below, but gold doesn't care about levels. Gold cares about levels, and then it'll smash these levels like so. We've smashed 26.56, and we had liquidity that needed taking here. And look, absolutely smashed it. And look, coming into this liquidity now, 26.65. But yeah, like I say, good management points. You've got levels for good management points and for entries and for closures above or below, but gold loves liquidity. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, 15 close bullish. Probably going to have a run into that liquidity now. Gold's super bullish. Yeah, there's no way I'll be looking for sells too. If you're running this position with a runner, great work. That's the position. That's like the position for the week as well. Right, I'm going to end the poll here. So we've got 8. We've got about, it's about 50-50 basically. You know, we've got 8 people who are in it, 10 people who are. Good stuff. If you're not already, guys, drop a subscribe. Join the free Telegram too. You'll get notified when I go live. Either way is sound. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful long there. Yeah, I'd still be running a little micro, maybe a micro too. You know, 2 micros at 100 ticks is like $500 to $1,000 if you run it into these highs. So always leave a little run if you want. I put a sell limit at 65. How come? What for, bro? Moon, there's no need. What's to tell you that 65 is the reversal point? There's nothing to tell you that gold's going to reverse at 65. Gold, the only way you know it's going to reverse is when it's slowed down, creates the range and closes below to reverse. Like, who's to tell you that it's going to reverse bang at 65? Yeah, you've got liquidity, but you need the confirmation or you need the volume to say it's going to reverse. Like, look here. You've got these lows, but you push down from 24 to... You push down another 90 ticks before reversing to the upside. It'll probably do that to the upside too. So if you want to sit in 100 ticks drawdown, by all means. But for me, no way I'd just be selling at a high or a low. That's very retail. Very retail, Moon. A sell limit. You're looking at... Sell limit is you looking for sells, bro. Targeting below 25. What? I don't understand that analysis, mate. But look at that, instantly reversed at this level. Beautiful. Five. Christopher Bowen, I believe gold is taking it to the top today. Christopher, welcome to the stream, mate. Hope you're doing good, mate. I believe gold, yeah, like I say, we just trade with the volume. If it wants to continue higher now after rejecting this level, then yeah, that's the new range to buy above. You know, 2660 is a great level too. Look to the left. Resistance, 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 resistance. Get back above there. You know, you've got another 40 ticks into them highs. But looking at this now, a pullback like so is healthy to continue higher. So that doesn't bother me too. But don't be too concerned with this pullback. Like I say, you'd have taken most of your partials there. You know, look at that. You've got 55 ticks there into that level, into these highs. Sorry, 2660. That liquidity. You've got a new range that's forming at 2660. So, like I say, you can just keep this level, keep these two levels now on your chart, and just see what happens from there. But that's the trade. You've got 55 ticks there. There's no need to force anything else. There's literally no need to force anything else. If you haven't subscribed, guys, let's smash that subscribe. Get to 500. We're almost there. 37 away. Crazy. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Let's see how this... Yeah, I can't really tell. Is the 15 closed bearish? No, not yet. 5 could confirm. If the 5 closes above, that is confirmation too. Let me see how this 5 closes. I am interested in this 5. Taken prior lows. Just need to wait for the closure. Callum, 19 likes. Nice one, bro. Yeah, 19. Guys, one more. If you haven't liked, drop a like. Get to 20. Be the 20th person to like the video. Nice one. And if you want to get to 25, that's even better. Here we go. I'm looking at this 5 now. This 5 could give entry into the next liquidity point at 2666. Very possible. Just need to wait for this close now. Like I say, see how this 5 closes. If it closes bullish, say back above here, then you've got 30, 40 ticks there too. That entry was super clean though. That clean. Look at that. 9 ticks into there. 55. Bang. Wow, nice one, guys. 17. Cheers for unliking. We had 19 and it went to 17. Legends. Banter. I don't mind, guys. I really don't mind. It doesn't bother me too much. It's not the end of the world for me, guys. But yeah, getting to 20 is cool. Yeah, look at that. That's why you wait for the claws as well. Straight back down. What's the hourly saying? Super bullish. Back to 19. Nice one. Oh, class. I'm not even going to ask for it. I'm just going to wait for it to come organically. I'm going to try. I'm staying on because I think I can catch some longs into... I think I can catch some longs into this last little bit of liquidity above market. I'm going to try and drop another gem for everybody. But I need to wait for the claws. One sec, music's finished. Let me replay it. Nah. Probably going to see it range a little bit before smashing these highs now. Yeah, I've got some decent highs here at 26.66, which I'd look to target today. There's no way I'd be looking for sells though today, at all. So, yeah. What's this next 5 mid low? There's literally no impulse entries valid on any time frame, which is annoying, but it is what it is. But yeah, that liquidity at 26.65, 26.66 is the cleanest. This 15 may flip back bullish. Yeah, it could do. It could do, but I can't enter just because like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 laws haven't been taken. But like I said, this would be my target, 26.65. Does news affect futures? Yes, yo, mate. It affects both charts. If gold moves, futures will move with it. Or like I say, yeah, they both are affected, mate. Yeah, they're both affected the same way. Yeah, there's still a chance to catch longs into this liquidity here. There is still a chance. I'm just going to see how this 15 closes. Give it a minute. See how it closes. Then I'll go from there. Range on the 5. Yeah, there will be a range on the 5, but I don't use 5 minute for ranges. Yeah, I don't use the 5 for ranges. I use the 15, 30, and hourly for my range. I only use the 5 for confirmation entries, Joel. One sec, back in a second. Back in a minute. I'm back. Yeah, 15's closed above this level, to be fair, but there's no entry because we haven't taken any recent liquidity. Like I say, it has closed above. Yeah, new 15 straight up. For me, there's no 15 entry. I'd have to wait for confirmation again still. You know, like I say, you have got it on the 5, to be fair. You have confirmed if you've closed above. So if you did want to take some more longs, you've got like 30 ticks there. Stops below. You got a decent like 2 to 1. If it does flip now on this 5, you're probably going to see these highs taken. Or if it does re-break this 5 high. But for me, I think I want to see something cleaner. Yeah, you'd have been entered in that. You'd be around break even if you did enter the 5. Yeah, I'm not entering anything now yet too. I'm just waiting. Just giving it another maybe like 5 minutes, see what it does in this next 5, and then I'll go from there. But yeah, let's see. India took a quick scalp. Good work, bro. Yeah, it's flipping now. Look at it. The entry was about 63, so you'd be in profit if you did take it. 10 tick stop. It's just very, very choppy. Look at it, straight back to break even. You definitely have been taken break even. You know, you've taken this prior candle high here. Yeah, this liquidity to the left is vulnerable. This will get taken at some point. These highs. And gold for the day tomorrow is looking bullish. For some more continuations higher. Look at that. What a push that were. 100 ticks just given there on the 5 minute entry. Look at that. For Bants. Nice one, man. But yeah, good. Like I say, good day today. You know, I've give 100 ticks there. I know a few caught this entry here. 5 minute entry, perfect. I personally just caught 20 ticks down here. So there's no need for me to rush into anything. Yeah, I could have caught another 100 ticks, but it is what it is. Like, I'll just come back tomorrow. Today's been a very choppy day, so... Or should I say prior. Look at this was the chop in London. US, beautiful. Beautiful push to the upside. I'm just going to go and get some more water. I'll be back in a sec. Back in 2 minutes again, guys. getting some water. I'll be back. Good call. Thanks for the pip. Yeah, nice, man. Nice moon. Good to see you active again, though, Moon. Good stuff, mate. Good to see you active. Good to see you active again, bro. Yeah, gold's chopping a little bit on this 5 now. 15 closed. Bullish. Taking its highs. Like I say, there's not much too clear yet. Let me just refresh these charts. We've had that push up. You know, there's no entry for me just yet. So I am gonna head off now, and anybody in the community, I'll update you if there's any more entries or any more potential setups. Great live there today. You know, so much knowledge and so many free pips given there. So many gems given too. But look at that. What I do think for now, anybody who's not in the community, I am going to be looking for continuation pushes into here, into these highs for about 46 ticks. There's no way I'll be looking to sell gold today. Okay? So, yeah, community members, I'll see you there when I come off live. Community members, I'll see you in the community. YouTube. One sec. Get that out of the way. Yeah, guys on YouTube, I'm heading off. Community members, I will update you shortly. But yeah, good live there, and I will see everybody tomorrow, same time, 12:30 UK time. But yeah, Moon, good to see you back, bro. Good to see you back, mate. Get back in the community, mate. Smashing it. Everyone's on fire. Let's smash 2025 as well, guys. Like great start to 2025. We'll carry on crushing it on stream too. But yeah, few entries given there. Like I say, there's 100 ticks just right in front of you on the 5 minute that I showed. But if you took it, good stuff. If you didn't, there's always another trade. But yeah, I'm gonna head off anyway. See you all tomorrow, community. I'll see you there. In a bit, guys. Peace.